Yo, what's good, XX family, man? Welcome back to another video. Listen, today is Sunday, June 16th, aka Father's Day, man. I haven't seen y'all since Mother's Day, right? So I've been slacking, but not really. Not really. You know what I'm saying? I've been in the group. I've been doing one-on-ones and sending bomb signals, getting withdrawals, getting people challenges passed, all types of shit, man. But, you know, being that it's Father's Day, I thought I would just come on the camera and check back in, kind of update y'all on what's been going on. Say what's up, mama. But, yeah, bro, this guy is annoying, bro. All I want to do is go outside. But, yeah, go ahead. I think my wife and my daughter got something for me, so let's see what it is.
Kayla's got you a little something.
My baby got me something.
Yes.
My baby. Hide that address. Want y'all fuck niggas pulling up on me. Alright. Oh, no, she didn't.
Oh my god.
Bro, I always wanted one of these.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it?
Kayla, she'll always be my little girl.
Aww.
Bro, let me get a knife. Bro, I always wanted this shit. Like,
it's from Kayla.
It's like a cartoon version of us.
Look at her. Where is she?
She not worried about me, y'all. She watching her movie. She watching her. Mama.
Damn, you looking swole.
Okay, baby. What's this? Come here. What's this, baby? You got this for daddy. Is that you and daddy? Hold on, can I open it? Let's see what this is. Well, I'm about to go hang this up in the office. I'm trying to imagine how you felt that day when I made my appearance into the world. Hold on. I'm not finna read the whole book for y'all. I'm gonna read this with my baby, but
you say
I appreciate you, babe.
Yay!
And I appreciate you, babe.
Oh, thanks.
Bro, y'all niggas watch out. You ain't kissing y'all niggas, watch out, bruh. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the office and jump on these charts and yeah, kind of show y'all what we've been up to, man. We've been killing shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all been hitting me up, DMing me. Y'all want the vlogs, y'all want the videos. But listen, the best way to stay updated, to stay active with me is come join the Signals group, the chat. We got a whole community. And guess what? I don't charge y'all niggas at all, right? You could jump in for free. All you gotta do is sign up with my Sway affiliate link and DM me on Instagram. I've been doing this shit for what? 6 months now. 6 months, and I've been changing lives. If you ain't in there yet, I don't know what the fuck you doing, but yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna see y'all in the office. Peace. Yo, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. I let y'all down, bro. I let y'all down so bad, bro, and it's my bad. Like, bruh, that last clip was what? damn near 2 weeks ago on Father's Day, bruh. It is June 29th right now. I let y'all down completely. Like, I went on a whole vacation. I just got back. I went on a whole vacation and I promised y'all last time that I would take y'all with me, bro. But it is just so hard to pick this camera up. Like, I swear, when I'm on vacation, I don't want to hear a lick about trading, bro. Like, that's just the thing. But, you know, I do have to accept that this is kind of my responsibility. And, you know, I'm not going to lie. When I was, you know, on the come up trying to figure this shit out. When I would see other traders, you know, living life, that shit was an escape for me. So, you know, I do feel terrible, bro. And I'm gonna make sure next time that y'all get to come with me. I promise, like, on everything. Y'all are coming with me on my next vacation. But look, other than, like, nigga done chopped the hair and shit. Nigga, you know what I'm saying? Nigga done whole lot of changes. But look, I have a one-on-one with one of my students in 45 minutes. So I figured why not break down this trade that we took, sheesh, damn near 3 weeks ago, bro, where I flipped a $1,000 account up to $6,500 live with my trading group, right? So they were with me every step of the way. Everyone was catching pips. I think the entire trade hit for like over 100 pips or some crazy shit like that. So yeah, and little side note, I'm doing one-on-ones, right? So if you want personal access to me, that's something exclusively for my community, right? That's not a public thing. I'm not hopping on a one-on-one Zoom with any randoms. Like, that's literally just for my community. So yeah, make sure you get in there. It's literally free to join. Like I don't know what to say. It's free to get in. All you have to do is just sign up under my Sway affiliate link and DM me on Instagram, and you now have access to me, access to free signals, access to trades that I'm about to show you, flipping $1,000 to $6,500 in less than 24 hours. Come on, bro. There's nobody else doing that in the industry. I promise you. Not for free. Not for free. I'll tell you that. But yeah. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and jump into the charts, man. Like I said, I got 45 minutes, so we'll just break down this trade. And I'll see y'all there, man. Peace. By the way, just so like niggas know I'm not capping, when I screen record on my desktop, it will not allow me to show my Telegram because it's private. So I'm going to physically go show you guys with my camera. So 1 second, I'm gonna go ahead and go to my Telegram on here. So this was June 6th, right? This was June 6th. This was literally the $1,000 to $6,500 flip. I mean, $6,500 flip. So balance was 1,500. Obviously, I closed out on some positions. I was in $5,000 worth of profit. As you can see, we had a huge move here to the upside. Also, just to, let me see something. Just to kind of show you guys, you know, I was going through it step by step. So even when I was up 3 bands, I was letting the, you know, chat know, you know, and letting them know I don't normally even post my profits, but I'll just let you guys go through and see, you know, hella people were making money. So you have this guy making money. Let's see. Making more money. You got this guy making money, right? No matter the account size, big or small, it doesn't matter. Yeah, that's basically when I showed them my flip. Someone else, you know, showed their shit. This guy, you know, everybody's in there making money, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just wanted to make sure I showed you that real quick so nobody thinks I'm bullshitting. We literally did this live together. Took the trade. Also, right? Let me go to the actual signal that I called, right? So Boom. Here it is. I called this buy, right? 198.5. You know, letting them know 20 pips in profit. Damn, I'm sorry if the shit is shaking. You know, TP1 smashed, TP2 smashed, TP3 smashed for 75 fucking pips, TP4 for 100 pips. So I'm not bullshitting, right? Go ahead and sign up under that affiliate link. I'm trying to tell you, right? And DM me on Instagram once you're done. If you're already with Sway Markets, you don't have to worry. Just contact support, right? And fuck it, this may be grimy, but if you're already with Sway Markets and you want to be a part of my shit and get numbers like this, I don't know who your mentor is, but all you have to do is contact support, send them my affiliate link, and tell them to put you on my team. Pretty much, straight like that. I don't give a fuck. Like, we all gonna eat. I'm tired of seeing people get fucked over and shit like that. Paying for bullshit signals. Listen, I'm giving this shit away for free, and I've been doing it for half the year. Bro, I have so many people have passed challenges and all types of shit changing their life. So that was the last thing I want to say. Now let's get into the charts. All right, gang, let's go ahead and get into this breakdown, right? So, excuse this right here. This is Friday's close. We tried to take a quick trade and barely hit TP1, but that doesn't matter. Let's here it is over here. Yeah, gotta go back to around June 6th, right? So cool, we in replay mode now. So actually, let me delete all of this shit. I don't need any of this. Let me delete all of this real quick. All right, so basically, right, how we're looking at this. So we had this major drop right here, right? Due to news, right? You could draw a trend line up, you know, whatever you want to do. And as you can see, we dropped with a lot of momentum. Now, with my strategy, we only take entries on the 15-minute, right? However, the higher time frame is basically used. Let me minimize myself a little bit more, just so y'all don't miss shit. The higher time frame is basically used as targets, right? So if I go down to the 15-minute, for anyone who kind of would be stuck on the 15-minute, they're literally gonna think you're in a downtrend overall in GJ, which, I mean, obviously there was room to catch sells, obviously, but when the overall structure is bullish, you know, it just makes more sense to take buys, right? So here's what happened. So there was some type of news. I don't know exactly what happened. I don't pay too much attention to news. I just keep track of, you know, the type of news, red folder, yellow folder, etc. So on the daily, first off, I want to make sure this makes sense to everybody. You know what I mean? So no one has to keep asking questions. So if you notice, right, structure is doing this on the higher time frame, which is basically bullish structure, right? We have a new high over here in this area. So that's where we're going to draw our fib from this last low right here all the way to this new high, right? Now, if you notice, what price did was drop down to this 382 area on the fibs. Now, obviously, it's not going to be perfect every single time. You know, you could play with the fibs, whatever. But if you notice, it pushed down to this 382 area on the fibs and then rejected, right? So now what does that look like if I go to the lower time frames, right? So on the 4-hour, we had a major rejection, and then we opened over here, had another rejection. Now, I told you guys we only take trades on the 15-minute. Now, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. So, what I noticed is, we're respecting that 382 on a higher time frame fib. Let me delete this. Which tells me that all of this shit right here, excuse my language, I'm trying to stop cursing so much in my videos, trying to be a better person. But which tells me that this shit right here is just a pump fake, right? All this little selling pressure, all of that is just a pump fake. All this shit is news, basically setting up technicals to work out. So news pushes these candles so that the technicals work out. Write that down. Think about it a few times. You know what I'm saying? Don't let it go over your head. Now, if I continue replay mode, right? We are now out of session, right? No trades were taken. However, when Asian session started on this day right here, I kind of noticed that price was holding support here. So personally, let me delete this. Personally, I took my own trade in this area, right? So boom, let's do some shit like this for now, right? I took my own trade that I did not call for my group because, to be honest, I had $1,000 in my account, and I was deciding between, it was the NBA Finals. I've never sports betted before. So I was going to take that $1,000 and try to flip it with sports betting. But the trader in me saw this potential over here and said, fuck it. Let me throw it in an account and flip that shit. So with that being said, this first trade I did not call, right? I specifically took that shit for me to try to flip the account. Now, as you can see, there was a lot of momentum. Right now, when price came here is when I called the trade for my group. Why? I'll explain in a minute, right? But as you can see, shit went on to hit for over 100 pips. Let me change that. Right? So it went on to hit for over 100 pips. I had two positions. So from here to here, I took $1,000 to 6,500. Now I'm gonna break down. The trade I called for the group, right? Because this was something personal for me. I'm gonna break down what made everybody money. You know what I mean? So let me delete this. Okay, so cool. You guys know my strategy. If you don't, go through my YouTube, do some studying. I'm not going to sit here and go from A to Z on every single video, right? I will just give you the gist. And, as stated before, if you want personal access, you know what to do. Go sign up for Sway. But anyways, so here's how this goes. We have this major drop to the left. Right? We have a major drop to the left due to news. Now, something that you may or may not know, when the market makes big drops like this or any big movement due to news, 9 times out of 10, it's always going to correct itself. Right? Maybe not immediately, but it will always correct itself. So keep that in mind. I knew that this big ass drop, mind you, during a bullish trend, we've been going up this entire year. So on a move like this, I already know this shit is going to correct itself, right? Now, what gave me confirmation is the next day during Asian session, we see that price is starting to rocket up, right? Now, mind you, we've already respected this 382 on the higher time frame. Not perfectly, but, you know, it did what it had to do. It's not always going to be perfect. But I see we start making a lot of momentum to the upside during Asian session, right? Now, I actually missed an entry for my group. We have this break and retest of this QP right here. Oh, shit. Hold on. Let me redo that for y'all. We have this break and retest of this QP. Let me try to zoom in, right? Try to zoom in a little bit, right? So we have a break and retest. I wasn't able to call this for the group. I probably wasn't at the charts. I was probably hooping or some shit like that. But nonetheless, we still continued with a lot of momentum. Even the trade that I called for them, I liked a little better. And let me tell you why. So we continued up, right? This strategy works best when in a trending market, not in this shit moving sideways, in a trending market. So we missed this entry right here, but we had another break and retest, right? Now, what's special about this break and retest? If I go out on a higher time frame, we are actually respecting this 0.236 area on that higher time frame fib. So that's another confluence, right? Also, let me delete that. If I draw a fib from this low, right, to this new high, boom, we have a golden zone area right here on the Fibonacci. If you don't know what a golden zone area is, again, go do your research. Go spend, a few hours going through my YouTube. I have a video on Fibonacci, I'm pretty sure. We have this, we're retesting this golden zone on a 15-minute fib, right? So that is one confluence, two confluence. Let's see. Let me delete this real quick. So that's already two confluences. We're already trending up. That's three confluences, right? Now, usually I only need 3 or 4 confluences. And I usually tell people to take if we're in an uptrend, you want to take your trade above this 200 EMA. However, as you notice, we're below the 200. So you're probably like, like Chris, why aren't you going against your rules? Well, it's not necessarily a rule, it's a confluence. And also, once again, like I told you in the beginning, the 15-minute is for entries. Where your target and overall where you're going, you want to zoom out. So if I zoom out, what do you see? The 200 EMA is nowhere in sight. That shit is all the way down here. You know what I mean? We're pretty much good to go. So if I go back to the 15-minute, right? Our overall target is all the way up here. Where you saw this major drop, right? That's where, oh shit. That's where I knew we were going, right? So this is the trade I called for my group. Now, this all happened like within 12 hours, less than a day, I'll say that. So this was the overall trade, 100 pips. Mad people made money and all types of shit. Now, however, eventually got there. We weren't in it, but let me go to the hour to kind of speed this shit up. You know what I'm saying? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, anyways, I'm not going to, let's see. Can we get there in the video? Almost. There we go. All right. So as you can see, oh, this shit's still going. Hold on. As you can see, it did exactly what I thought it would do. We were able to secure a nice amount of money over here. Also, I see this trade. I believe we took this trade as well. It was just overall a great week. Let me go ahead and make myself bigger now. But you can see this is the type of things we're doing in the XX Academy, right? And I'm teaching everyone how to do this on their own, and they're also getting guidance from me, right? So if your mentor is not doing this shit for you, you know where to go to, bro. You know what I mean? This is a weekly thing. You know what I mean? We're killing the markets. We've been killing it all year. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of this breakdown. I said, you know, I would just break down the flip. I broke down the flip for you. As you can see, there was a whole extra trade that was taken. You know, I could break that down too. However, that's exclusively for people who are rocking with me. So, yeah, once again, I'll reiterate it. If you want access to my community, to my signals group, to me personally, then you need to be a part of my Sway affiliates link. You need to sign up with my Sway affiliates link and then DM me on Instagram at xxChrisJ, right? And that's the end of that. Some people have DM'd me for one-on-ones. Listen, you have to be a part of my community for one-on-ones, right? So with that being said, that's going to be the end of this video. Sorry I've been gone for so fucking long. You know, I'm trying to be consistent. I'm trying to lock in, but it's just so hard. Like, we're just killing shit, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Like, we not going to wait on you forever. You know what I mean? So come on, bro. Come on if you coming. You know what I'm saying? Like, pause. But anyways, that's it. I'll holler at y'all in the next one. I'm out. Peace.